Hello everyone. So today we will discuss about the very important gates, that is NAND and NOR. NAND and NOR gates. NAND and NOR gates. Okay. As we discussed in the derived gates, NAND, NOR, XOR and XNOR, as derived gates we discussed. But there are two important gates, that is NAND gate and the NOR gate. So these two are called universal gates. These two are called universal gates. NAND and NOR are called the universal gates. Why you call this universal gates as? So what is the definition of this universal gate? So universal gate is a gate using, so what you have to derive is using which all the basic gates can be designed, using which all the basic gates can be derived. So what are the basic gates? You already know, that is NOT, AND OR. So these three can be derived. These are the basic gates. These can be derived from these two universal gates, that is NAND and NOR. Okay. So NAND and NOR are what? Universal gates. Okay. By using these two, by using NAND, you can derive NOT and OR. By using NOR, you can derive NOT and OR. Okay. So we will see one by one using NAND gate and next using NOR gate. So when you go for the NAND gates, okay. So we'll discuss about the first one, NAND to NOT. So how we should write the NAND to NOT logic? So that is very simple. So because it is only one input, as NAND gate, so it becomes X and X bar, that is NAND to NOT. Okay. And second one, NAND to AND. NAND to AND logic. NAND to AND. So here AND should be into, okay, X into Y it should come. So for that we should be derived like this. So there are two inputs, as we will take two inputs, X and Y will be the two inputs we will take. Okay. And it will be derived again for the, this will be what will happen here. We have another NAND gate will be derived. Another NAND gate will be derived. So what will happen for this is, it becomes X into Y whole bar. Then again if you give the another NAND gate, so it becomes X into Y. So that is what? NAND to AND. You have to use only the NAND gates. So that is what they are giving, the using NAND gates only. Okay. And the third one, that is NAND to OR logic. NAND to OR. So here X into Y is for AND. Now it should come X plus Y. So you can take separately also. So you are taking here X into Y with the two inputs. You can take separately like this also. Okay. Two inputs you can take separately. This is X input. This is Y input. Both can be combined. Okay. So then it becomes what? So here another one important. So if you write like this, it will becomes AND. So if you have to write round, then it will have a OR gate. So here what will happen? X into X bar for this. So Y into Y bar for this. So what will happen? X plus your x plus y. Okay. Next, these are the three basic gates derived from what? NAND gate. So when you go for the second one, that is the second universal gate is OR gate. So NOR gate. So from that NOR gate, you can derive again all the three basic gates. Okay. So this is from the first NAND gate to all the three, and we will derive now using NOR gate. So that is second one using NOR gate. So first NOR to NOT logic. NOR to NOT. So very simple. Again you have to write the OR gate, because it is NOR means it will combine with the OR. So here NAND means AND. So there is only again one input and one output. Okay. So here you should write like this. So it becomes x1. And second one, that is NOR to. So as we written NOR to NOT here, NAND to NOT, same as NOR to NOT. And now NOR to OR we will write. Okay, you can take again two inputs, that is A and B. We will see here. We will take A and B, then we will take this. Again what will happen? Then another NOR gate like this. Okay, so here this becomes what? A plus B whole bar. So this becomes A plus B. So here we took differently. Separate. X is different, Y is different, two inputs. So you can take write like this also. You can write like this also. So you will write for the NAND, NOR to AND for that. Logic. So separately you can take now. Anything is correct. If you take separately or single, this correct only. If you take this one as A, we will take another one as B. Okay, so both will combine again. Both will combine. So it becomes like this. Okay, so here it becomes A bar, here it becomes B bar. So it will becomes what? V into B. So this is very important that these two universal gates NAND and NOR are derived from NOT gate, OR gate and AND gates. So this logic circuit, so they may ask you for 3 marks question. Derived the basic gates using NAND. You should write all the 3. Derive the basic gates from the NOR. Okay. So this is very important concept of universal gates. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much.